How to enable or disable an app on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. And in here, tap on the Settings icon. Now from the Settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on Apps. After that, scroll down and select an app that you would like to manage. For example, I'm going to tap on Chrome. And from here, you can tap on the Disable button to disable an app. Then tap on Disable app. Or you can tap on Enable app to enable it. Now, not all apps can be disabled. Most of the system apps you can disable. Certain apps you can only uninstall but not disabled. And that's it. Finally, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.